The unit is equipped with 2 carrier air conditioners, and they control the furnace as well. So in this case, if I turn it on, it goes to furnace. You could hear it kick in there, and the unit is there, and it controls the furnace. Floor ducts or floor vents all the way through the unit, the bathroom, and then back into the bedroom. What's underneath there right now, and then you can hear the furnace kick on out here. You set it to whatever temperature you want. Fan speed, that's on auto right now, and once it gets there, it'll shut itself off. It goes down by 2 degrees each time, and that's your carrier air conditioner and furnace controls.